you ever wondered what truly separates the wealthy from everyone else? It's usually not about having a bigger paycheck. It's about using a completely different playbook for money. It's a whole philosophy that changes how you think, how you use, and ultimately, how you grow your wealth. So let's break down that core idea. This right here, this is the foundation of everything. It's such a powerful shift in perspective. See, most of us are taught to trade our time for a paycheck, but the wealthy, they've figured out how to break that link. They create systems where their money becomes their hardest working employee, hustling for them 24/7.
And let's be really clear about this. This has nothing to do with how much you earn. It's all about the mental framework you apply to every single dollar you have. These are principles you can use at any income level. It all just starts with changing your focus.
So where do we begin? Well, it starts with the most basic difference of all, what you pay attention to. Is it the number on your paycheck, or is it something else entirely? This is where that first major split in financial thinking really happens.
This says it all, doesn't it? It's the move from active income to passive income. The common focus, how much I earn, is active. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. But the wealth focus, that's how much my money earns. That's passive income. Your money is out there, making more money, whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation.
Okay, so once you have some money, what's next? This brings us to another huge divide in financial thinking, the difference between just saving your money and actively putting it to work for you through investing.
Think of it like this. Are you playing defense or offense with your money? Saving, that's playing defense. And it's important, for sure. It's about security, about keeping your money safe. But investing, that's your offense. That's about deploying your capital to actively multiply itself over time. It's how you win the game. And the wealthy understand this perfectly. Their primary goal isn't to just hoard cash in a bank account. Nope. It's to convert that cash into assets, things that are going to grow in value and generate even more cash. So this capital flows into all kinds of places. We're talking real estate that generates rent, stock portfolios that capture market growth, owning a piece of a business, or even things like gold and digital assets. What do they all have in common? They all have the potential to grow your initial investment.
Now, this entire philosophy changes how you spend, too. Every dollar you spend is a choice. Is that choice building your wealth, or is it draining it? The motivation behind your purchases, well, it's everything.
This is such a critical point. A lot of people buy things to look rich. We call these liabilities. The truly wealthy, they do the exact opposite. They buy assets to stay rich. So let's get crystal clear on what those two words actually mean.
It's really that simple. Think about it. A big car payment, credit card debt for luxury stuff, anything with ongoing costs that doesn't make you any money. It's just a constant drain on your financial resources.
And here's the other side of that coin. An asset actually pays you. A rental property sending you a check every month, stocks that pay dividends, a profitable business. See the difference? The ultimate goal is to build an asset column so powerful that it pays for all your liabilities and then some.
Okay, we've talked about financial assets, but there's one investment that stands way above all the others. It's an asset you have complete control over, one with the potential for truly infinite returns. So what do you think it is? What's the single most powerful thing you can possibly invest in that has absolutely no ceiling on its potential growth? It's knowledge. Investing in your own mind, in your own skills, and in your understanding of how the world really works, that is the ultimate leverage. This is the secret weapon. Financial markets can crash, real estate can dip, but the knowledge you acquire, that's permanent. No one can take it away from you. It lets you see patterns, make better decisions, and spot opportunities that everyone else misses. It's the engine that creates value out of thin air. And you know what? Investing in knowledge is incredibly accessible. It's about dedicating time to reading, learning from experts, building a network of people who are smarter than you, and finding mentors who can help guide you on your journey. This is how you build your greatest asset.
Okay, so let's put all these pieces together. We've talked about mindset, we've talked about assets, and we've talked about knowledge. The final step is to combine them all into a system that works for you, almost on autopilot.
So here's the blueprint, step by step. First, you shift your mindset from earning to owning. Second, you use your income to acquire assets that generate cash, not liabilities that drain it. Third, you continuously invest in your knowledge to make smarter and smarter decisions. And finally,
You build systems. You make the entire process a self-sustaining wealth machine.
And this is the ultimate goal, to get off that treadmill of trading your time for money and instead to become an architect of systems, of businesses, of investments, of strategies that attract wealth and opportunity to you. That is what creates true financial freedom.
Follow for more secrets of money.